For mobile, Script Cases Form application adapts automatically to mobile applications. So to see this application, let's run. This is the desktop view, and to see this and to emulate this form application within a mobile, I will inspect here the browser. I will choose here the mobile iPhone, and then I will refresh to see how the application will behave within a mobile environment. So as we can see, we have here the toolbar. It's now adapted, so you have this scroll. It's a horizontal scrolling for you to access the buttons, and you have here also this button for you to go back to the top, and you have the navigation. So if we go back to the desktop view, we will see that you have the navigation with more buttons. So we simplify the navigation and the buttons here. And at the top toolbar, we have that horizontal scrolling. Back here to Script Case Development Environment, you have a couple of options you can enable. All these options is already enabled, but you can not use if you choose to. The first one is to enable or not this optimization. So it's enabled already. Then you have the option to use the scroll up button. That's, let me show here again the options. So this button here, you can go back to the top. You can choose whether to use or not, and the position for this button. So you have right or left. Then you have the simplified toolbar. Then this one here, it's only with the navigation and it's fixed. You have here to pin this button toolbar. Then you can choose to pin or not. If you do not use the simplified, it will be with all the options and with the horizontal scrolling as we have with the top toolbar. Okay, and when you choose to pin or not, it means you have the data from behind the toolbar. If you choose here to do not pin this toolbar, it will be in the same way you have on the desktop. So you will see the options only when you finish to scroll the information. Okay, so the default option is to use the simplified toolbar and to pin. So you have this behavior, fixed toolbar, pinned in the case, and also with only with the navigation. If you go to the toolbar options, you will see here that I have the options for the buttons, desktop and mobile. So it's also possible here for you to change names. Okay, you can define here also hotkeys, templates. We have a video showing you how to use the hotkey templates. You can check this video to see this option. Here you can change names, and here you can change position, and you can also group the buttons. If you want, for example, to have less buttons just for the mobile view, you can go here. For example, I can add one option with drop down with form options. Then we can add, and it can be only an image, for example. So this is a group, and I will choose the buttons to group. So let's place here the update, delete, and also cancel. These three buttons. And then you will see that we replace it here, the form options. Okay, you can also remove buttons that you will not use, so it will be more clean it here. So let's let's remove here from mobile. I will leave only the form options and the button insert. We can also replace by images, and then you can simplify your mobile options, so you will not have to use the horizontal. Okay, so this is how you can organize your buttons within the toolbar according to the view, if you are accessing from mobile or from a desktop.